So, it was not just me alone. I went there with a couple of my friends and our trip started with this beautiful location known as Lightloop Grand Canyon. I knew that there is a Grand Canyon in US, but I didn't know we have something so beautiful here in India as well. I was really jealous of the kids because they had such a beautiful location to play. The clouds, the valley, the whole view was very mesmerizing. After spending some time in Lightloop and enjoying the view, we headed to Umiam Lake to witness the beautiful sunset, and the view was gorgeous. Luckily, we also got to enjoy the Shillong Autumn Festival, which was filled with dance, music, energy and great vibes. We had a blast, and that was the end of day 1. The next day, we were damn excited. You want to know why? This place is the reason. This place is called Dauki. It is located near the border of India and Bangladesh. I know you can't believe what you're seeing right now, and even we could not for a moment when we saw such crystal clear water for the first time. Boating in the Dauki River was a legit next level experience. When you come to Meghalaya, you will come across a lot of waterfalls. But according to me, nothing can beat the experience of Pransuri. The water was extremely cold, to be very honest, but after seeing the beautiful blue color of it, I just could not resist myself from getting in. Next day, early in the morning, we left for double-decker root bridge. When I heard that this bridge is made from roots, I was extremely curious to visit this place. It is situated in the middle of a lush green forest where you can sit, chill and enjoy the beauty and calmness of nature. After that, we headed for Rainbow Falls. Now the trek to Rainbow Falls through double-decker bridge was more than 5,000 steps. But as they say, the best view comes after the hardest climb. And that was the end of our trip to Meghalaya. We explored Shillong. We also got a chance to explore Cherrapunji, and I would love to come again and explore more. Obviously, how can I not talk about family when family is all I got? They roasted me throughout the trip, but I had a lot of fun. Thanks a lot Vinit and Vinay for being there. Let me know in the comments below which moment was your favorite. Thanks for watching.